Bing bong. Hey, we here. We here. Here. We back. We back. And we ended it on this. We gonna begin it on this. Yes. I'm telling y'all, when I told y'all before that everything created and curated by me would just be about what I like and what I prefer. Don't ever get swayed by what I like. If you like it, go with it. If it's something you're not messing with, don't mess with it, man. That's fine. That's fine. Don't let the next person or these YouTubers and all that stuff curate what you like and what you don't like. Like I said before, we here, we there, we ready to get this popping, get it going. And hey, we here, 2022, man. It's weird saying that. How many of y'all feel weirded out by saying that 2022? Anyways, whatever. We here once again, like I said before. We here with a package, our first sneaker pickup of the year. I actually purchased it in the other year, but I got it this year. Whatever, I don't know however y'all want to put it, y'all want to word it, whatever. It's my first video of a sneaker purchase pickup. How about that? Bing bong. These right here, I seen them early. I wanted to get them early. I wanted to get them on GOAT. I wanted to get them on StockX. They just did not have them. It kept saying no description or whatever. It was a description, but you just couldn't cop it. So I'm like, man, I want these. I just wanted to add to my collection of shoes that mean something. And I know if that's what your collection is, the shoe gotta mean something to me for me to pull it or purchase it. Every shoe that you might see here or see in my background, it means something to me. I'm an Air Force One head. I love 3s, and 95s is it's the era where I realized that it's more to life than just Jordans and all that. It was that era that I realized that. So shouts out to Cause and the people that, you know what I'm saying, all this stuff that you see or that I put out that I want to get to y'all, it means something to me. So if that's what you about and that's what you want to be about, and you like shoes like I like shoes and not just the hottest releases or just because it's a Jordan 1 and it's patent leather and it's an OG colorway, yeah, that's great, but what does that shoe mean to you? Half of the people that's going after these shoes wasn't even born when them shoes meant something. So anyways, let's get to it. I would like the Jordan 1, like I said, that was one of the shoes released in 85. I was born in 85. So nevertheless, I'm dating myself. Let's not get into that, but let's get into this shoe. That's what y'all came for. That's what y'all want to see. Shout out to the boys at Concept. They came through. The boys, the ladies and the gents at Concepts, they came through with the steal. Not even a steal, man. It was just a hot deal. I picked up on it, man, and something I want to show y'all, man. Like I said, I get a lot of shoes. I get some shoes that I don't show y'all. I get shoes that I show y'all. If y'all want a video of the collection, please leave it in the comments. Blow it up, you know what I'm saying? Hey, we'll do it. If y'all want a hat collection video, we'll do a hat collection. Y'all want a sock video, whatever y'all want to do, just let me know. Hey, I'm here for it. I am here for it. So, Concepts. We started off, like I said before, we ended off the year on this, so we're gonna start off the year with it. It's a dope shoe. Like I said before, it's just something that I found close to me, and y'all understand why I say that. Hey, let's get into this unboxing here. Let's get into this. Bing bong. I know I'm opening from the bottom. I know you ain't got to say nothing. You ain't got to say nothing. You ain't got to say too much from the look in your eyes. I can tell you want this shoe. I can tell you want this shoe. Boom! 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 Oh, they should have gave this shoe a special box, man. Why didn't they get this shoe a special box? Man, what color is this? Man, we got cream, black, sail, black. I mean, cream too, which is Why is it cream too? These colorways don't be making sense. Y'all, am I the only one who don't know that the colorways on these shoes don't make sense when you read it? Anyways, let's get into this shoe. What is cream 2? I don't know what that is. Somebody tell me, what is cream 2? Pause. Hey, we here. Y'all here for it? We here for it. Y'all here for it? Leave a like. Subscribe. Hey, if you returning, thank you for coming back. And if you new, hit that subscribe button, because we definitely want you back. Thank you. I appreciate it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Hey. My first time seeing it too, so let's get into it. Man, oh man. Hold on. Cause I gotta bring both of these out. Alright, so I see a problem already. Man. And y'all might not see it, but I see it already. See it already. What y'all think about these, man? What y'all think about them? Y'all let me know what y'all think about them. It's a dope shoe. We gonna get into this shoe. We gonna get into it. First off, what y'all seeing? What y'all seeing in this shoe? What y'all seeing? I ain't held it up. I know y'all like, I can't see it. Alright, you ain't held it up. What y'all seeing? I would have preferred a clear bottom, even though I don't like clear bottoms. That would have set the shoe off right. A clear gum bottom sole with a little blue tint to it, would have set this shoe off right. But yeah, what y'all see? Look like it's been tried on or something, but what y'all see? What y'all see that I don't see? Well, let's get into it. I'll show y'all what I see. Bam, first off, on the back, you got the King James logo. Man, oh man, that LeBron logo on the back side. Then you turn and you got that black Nike swoosh with the checkered on it. Man, that go dumb. I might throw the blue laces in here, I might not. I don't know. Depending on how I feel in the day. What I see at the thing here, they took the metal plate out, which I think they should have gave the metal plate to it. With the King James or the LeBron James logo on the front of it. This is a dope shoe. Get into the inside. Let's untie these bad boys here, because y'all need to see these insides of these. And that's what I seen what first set me off. I think some white laces would have set these off real nice. Even though I'm not a fan of white and black. Boom. Let's get into this. Y'all see that on the tongue? Man, the hints of the blue set this shoe off right. Look at that on the tongue. I don't know what this is. Some sheep's ass. I don't know what this is. This is very soft. I don't know what it is. I really like it. Then in the inside, it got his little what it say, strive for greatness in the inside of it. I don't know if y'all can see that, if it's getting it. Strive for greatness. It got that in the inside. And it's not like your regular insole. I'm not snatching this out, but it's not like your regular insole. It's not as soft and pliable. It feels like it's a leather insole or a nubuck. The same here. And this is I want to say a good leather, but it's not. It's soft. It feels good. It's soft, but I don't know if it's a good leather. It do come with an extra pair of laces with the Nike on it. Like I said, that blue lace and this code on there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, man, yeah. Let me know what y'all think about these, man. Let me know what y'all think about this. They got the strive for greatness in the bottom of that one too. Y'all can see it, but yeah, let me know what y'all think of these, man. Like I said before, I ended the year off of this. I'm gonna start off the year on one of these, and then we're gonna get into some different shit. I don't know. Y'all let me know. We're gonna get into some different shit, but yeah. These dope. Like I said, I don't understand what the cream 2 is. Maybe because it's a different shades of cream here and here. I don't know. Yeah, man. yeah, let me know what y'all think of these, man. I like these. These gonna be in the collection. These might stay. And oh, okay. Okay, so the whole inside is like that. So the whole right here and all that is like a leather feel. Boom. Boom. Ding. Yeah, the whole inside is a leather feel. That's why they got this here. I get it now. The tongue has the same leather. It's supposed to be like the forces of the forces, like it's supposed to be the almighty force. Okay, and the tongue on there got the little leather patch just stitched on there. Okay, I see Nike. I don't care for the checker. Y'all could have kept that, but yeah, man, is this something y'all into? Y'all want to see more of this, man? You know, hey, let me know. But this your boy, Blacked Out Kicks, striving for greatness. Be safe, always be blessed, and be blessed, stay blessed, and that always find a way to get your blessings. Hey, this your boy Blacked Out Kicks, checking out with another one.